Hello and welcome to this lecture. Dimension 5 Joint Ventures. What is a joint venture? It is an alliance or collaboration where two or more parties, meaning people or businesses or both, get together in order to achieve a common goal such as co-development of a product or service, contributing resources to a common venture, or else one of the parties giving access of the market to another party, and so on. If the joint ventures are chosen carefully, implemented, and executed, they can be very effective in giving the involved parties various opportunities that they won't be able to avail otherwise. Advantages of joint ventures. By forming joint ventures with other parties, you can achieve several objectives such as: number 1, share risks and expenses. Number 2, assess new markets and customers. Number 3, create new revenue streams by leveraging the intellectual capital or tangible resources of another business. Number 4, build credibility in a market by teaming up with a renowned business already operating in that market. Number 5, mitigate the shortcomings of expertise by sourcing it from the other party. Number 6, information is everything in information age. Maybe a business operating in the same market as yours will give you access to the information which you need to take better strategic decisions or serve your customers better. Now let's go through some examples of joint ventures. Even competitors within the industry can collaborate and leverage the power of joint ventures. For example, BMW and Toyota, which are the giants in automotive industry, are cooperating in the research related to ultra lightweight materials, hydrogen fuel cells, and vehicles electrification.
BMW and Toyota agreed to explore possible collaboration in 4 areas. There are fuel cell system technologies, sports cars, electrification, and lightweight technologies. Toyota is strong in environmental friendly hybrid and fuel cells. I am confident these technologies will be useful to BMW. We are not coming together to becoming bigger. We are not coming together to form capital ties. We're joining hands because we want to make ever better cars.
I believe this is the most decisive moment our industry has ever faced. We have seen similar developments in other industries. The shift from the typewriter to the laptop to iPad, the shift from analog to digital photos. Both companies, Toyota and the BMW Group, are highly successful key players in the global automotive industry today.
The key to get the most out of a joint ventures is to identify other businesses that would benefit from the same project that you are working on and who can contribute to its success by bringing their competences, intellectual capital, or workforce and accelerate the progress of the project. Assignment. So, if competing businesses can engage in joint ventures, so can you. List at least 3 areas in which your business can collaborate with other businesses to help you in growing your own business. If you are not a business owner yourself, put yourself into the shoes of a business owner in the industry of your choice and complete the assignment. Thank you very much for your time, ladies and gentlemen, and let's proceed to the next lecture.